Alright guys, so what we have right here is the Light-Gamer Bolt. This is the newest game capture from AverMedia, and this game capture, let me tell you that it's really powerful. So let's take a look to the main specs. Alright guys, so this game capture can record and stream up to 4K P60 FPS HDR. We know that the current platforms don't allow you to live stream and more of 4K 30 FPS, but this game capture will be ready to when they get upgraded. You can record with a max of 240 FPS in 1080p. The interface that connects with this game capture is the first one in the world. This is a Thunderbolt 3 interface that will allow you to have ultra low latency. Of course, it comes with RGB lighting integrated, the one that you can customize through Rec Central. And of course, it still has the line need for recording analog audio. Alright guys, and now we have here the Light-Gamer 311. That's right guys, so AverMedia is thinking in all those people who is starting to live streaming, giving this bundle. And what we have here is everything, and literal everything that you need to get started to doing your live stream. And what you're gonna get inside of this bundle is the Light-Gamer Mini that can record a max resolution of 1080p 60 frames per second. We are getting also the Light-Gamer Streamer Cam 313. This is a 1080p 30 FPS webcam that looks really nice. And lastly, we got the AM310 USB microphone. So as you can see, you will get everything that you need to start live streaming. Alright guys, so that's all for this video at the AverMedia booth in Computex 2019. Let us know what of the products is the one that you like more on the comments below. This is Anders. See you next time.